Prehistoric creatures discovered recently that would amaze you. Hammerhead salamander. Recently, pictures of a creature that looks like a salamander with a head like a hammerhead shark were shared online, sparking rumors of its existence. However, the hammerhead salamanders were extremely large amphibians that roamed around between 360 to 270 million years ago, before going extinct. The pictures you see now was of a model made by a Japanese sculptor. Its hammer-shaped head is what made people believe that it's a creature that could be alive now. The Galagadon. The fossils of one of the most menacing, prehistoric shark named the Galagadon was recently discovered. Its teeth were found fossilized alongside the most complete Tyrannosaurus rex skeleton ever found, named ZAHOOR the T-Rex. These fossils were found 30 years apart from each other. First, the fossils of the T-Rex were discovered, and 3 decades later, excavators came back to look for more fossils and found the Galagadon's teeth, which was only the size of a pinhead. The Galagadon was a dangerous shark with a body shape similar to a catfish. It got its name from the 1981 arcade game Galaga, since its head looked like the Space Invaders in the game. Prehistoric badger. A new strange species of mammals that lived about 66 million years ago was recently discovered by a scientist in Denver. The creature must have lived in Madagascar and looked similar to the badger we see nowadays. Like the dinosaurs, this prehistoric badger went extinct at the end of the Cretaceous period. The fossils of this creature were found in 2020 and helped paleontologists understand how animals from different regions evolved over the years. This creature is named Adelatherium, which translates to crazy beast. Its fossils are one of the most complete ones of mammals found to date. The smallest dinosaur ever. A fossil that is over 99 million years old was recently discovered trapped in a piece of amber. It is the smallest bird dinosaur discovered to have lived in the Mesozoic era. Only the skull of the creature was found, but it still helped scientists learn a great deal. This is the oldest bird known to mankind, its size smaller than that of a hummingbird. The skull of this bird was only 0.5 inches or 1.2 centimeters in length and was found in a mine in northern Myanmar. The scientific name given to this bird is Oculodentavis kundrai, which translates to eye-toothed bird. The bird had about 30 teeth inside its jaw, which coined this name. The prehistoric turtle pig. Bulbasaurus, a name similar to the fictitious Pokemon Bulbasaur, is a creature that looks like a mix of a turtle and pig. The Bulbasaurus must have had a beak similar to a turtle with tusks and short legs like a pig. However, as per a researcher in Naturkunde, Berlin, the creature is unique compared to all animals found today. The closest resemblance to this prehistoric creature is the Pokemon Bulbasaur. Fossil in a fossil. The fossilized skeleton of a prehistoric marine reptile, ichthyosaur, was found by paleontologists in China. They then discovered a well-preserved fossil of another reptile inside this fossil. Ichthyosaurs were carnivorous amphibians that lived in the Mesozoic era and looked similar to modern-day dolphins. The fossil found inside this creature was of a lizard-like animal known as thalattosaur. It can be deduced that the ichthyosaur died soon after eating the reptile, so the reptile's skeleton remained preserved in it. This incident must have occurred around 240 million years ago, in the Triassic period. This discovery was amazing in many ways, as it helped researchers understand what diet was followed by the ichthyosaur. They also understood its strength as a predator, as the reptile fossil found inside the ichthyosaur was large. The big lion Simba cub, Kitoko, Africa. A dangerous predator that lived around 22 million years ago was recently discovered by researchers. It goes by the name of big lion, but the creature actually belonged to a now extinct species of hyaenodonts. The fossils were discovered some time ago, but none were analyzed until recently. This creature was bigger than any lion or tiger roaming on this earth today and was alive when apes were only evolving into the human beings we are today. Until now, the fossils were stored in the Nairobi National Museum in Kenya.